Just launched your new online business? Got big dreams but a tiny marketing budget? Or maybe no budget at all? Feeling like you can't compete because you can't afford expensive ads? It's time to stop wasting money and learn how to actually get seen and get customers. This video reveals powerful strategies for marketing your new online business for free. Seriously, so many entrepreneurs think they need a huge marketing budget to succeed online. They feel limited, or worse, they spend money they don't have on ineffective ads. But the truth is, you absolutely can market your new online business on a tiny budget, even for free, if you know where to focus your energy. Expensive marketing isn't always smart marketing. Imagine reaching your ideal customers, building an audience, and making sales without spending a single dollar on advertising. It's possible. The key to marketing your new online business for free lies in leveraging free platforms and smart, focused effort. Instead of broad, expensive campaigns, you focus on targeted actions that build real connection and value. This is how you bypass the pay-to-play model when you're just starting a new online business. How do you actually market your new online business on a tiny budget? It starts with creating valuable content that attracts your ideal customer naturally. Think helpful social media posts, informative videos, or insightful articles. Engage genuinely in online communities where your audience spends time. Build your email list using free tools. Leverage the power of basic SEO to get found in searches. These are all effective ways of free online business marketing that cost you time and effort, not money. Learning to market your new online business on a tiny budget builds resilience and forces creativity. It proves you don't need deep pockets to start building momentum. Ready to stop wasting money and start marketing your new online business for free or on a tiny budget? Check out my other videos for detailed guides on specific low-budget online marketing strategies.